Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To sign in to Outlook on the web using your work or school account in Microsoft 365. Go to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page or to Outlook.com. Enter the email address and password for your account. Select Sign In.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to access company email address online. Open the web browser on the computer you are using. Contact your company IT department for the email server website address. Download the email software if prompted to do so. Enter your email address you use for your company email. Tip:
Take our lead.
To do so, open the Start menu. Now right-click on My Computer. Select Properties. Then go to the Remote tab at the top of the Properties window. Check the box next to Allow users to connect remotely to this computer. Click OK to save the settings. Remote Desktop is now enabled on your PC.
Take our lead.
Here's how to get them. Go to office.com. Log in to your Microsoft account, or create one for free. If you already have a Windows, Skype or Xbox login, you have an active Microsoft account. Select the app you want to use, and save your work in the cloud with OneDrive.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to set up the Outlook app on your Android phone. Tap the Play Store app. Then, tap in the search box. Type Outlook and tap Microsoft Outlook. Tap Install, then tap Accept. Open the Outlook app and tap Get Started. Enter your full TC email address. Enter your TC password, then tap Sign In. You will be asked to add another account.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.